A lot of people have been talking about IULs. Here are 3 things you need to look out for so you don't get scammed by insurance people. Number 1, you want a minimum death benefit. This lowers the cost of insurance and lets you take advantage of compound interest so you can have more accumulation in your account when you retire. This account is literally free to open. There is no cost, there's no startup fees. So if you talk with an agent and they mention startup fees, you'll want to reach out to me. Make sure your agent structures the policy so that it is not a MEC, a modified endowment contract. If your policy becomes a MEC, you'll have to pay taxes on it, so make sure it doesn't become a MEC. Those are my top 3 tips. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
This is accurate. The most challenging part about getting life insurance is finding a good agent. And that's because your agent actually has the ability to manipulate your policy any way they want. I know that sounds scary, but it's actually true. So I always stress the fact that working with both a competent and ethical agent is the most important thing you can do. And other than those 3 things she covered in her list, I would also add to make sure you have cash surrender value in the first year. And your cash surrender value is something totally different than your actual accumulated value. So make sure you ask to see that. And also make sure your policy does not lapse before the age 120. That way you'll have both the front end and back end tests to make sure your policy is efficient. Follow for more financial breakdowns.